Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, I'm Safina Syed and today I'll be cooking chicken puff pastry. So if you want to know this recipe then please continue watching the video. First in this bowl I'll add some water and then a little bit of yeast, and then I'll dissolve the yeast in the water completely. Make sure there are no lumps in the yeast. Now I'll add a little bit of sugar and a pinch of salt or as per your taste. And some vegetable oil. You can use olive oil as well, but I have used vegetable oil. Now I'll add flour or maida. And I'll make it a dough, and now I'll add water as per the need, and I'll knead. Since now my dough is done, I'll rest it for around 30 minutes, covering it with a cling film so that no air goes inside it. Now in a pan I'll add some chopped onions or cubed onions you can say, and I'll saute it for a minute. Fry. And now I'll add these cubed tomatoes in the onion and saute it. Now I'll add a pinch of salt or as per your taste. And now I'll add half a teaspoon red chilli powder. We won't make the puree too thin, we will thick. I have washed my chicken thoroughly and added it in a cooker. I'll add ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt or as per your taste, and half a teaspoon of red chilli powder or that too as per your taste. And now I'll add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan Sauce. And now I'll saute my chicken. So I made mine like these. I'll fill the tomato puree and add my chicken pieces in half of the tortillas. Now I will add mozzarella cheese. You can add any cheese if you want, but I prefer mozzarella cheese. Now I'll wrap my half into the other half and give it a D shape, and then press the edges firmly. Now I'll poke the fork to give it a nice design on the edges so that it looks more presentable. Now for the shine, I'll wash my puffs with the egg wash. Okay, so 15 minutes. So this is how my chicken puff pastries turned out to be, and I have sprinkled a little bit of oregano for that extra taste. And if you like my recipe, do share, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.